Good morning, students. Myself, Babitha. I'm your new ICT teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the new academic year. I know ICT is your interested topic. How it is like that? Through computers, we are doing a lot of activities. We are studying about different technologies and softwares. It's very interesting to do a new things day by day by using these technologies and all, right? Okay, the students who have computer at their home must practice all the activities which we are discussing here. Others, nothing to worry. You have to note down all the points step by step. Once you get a chance, you can practice without any fail. This is your important year, right, students? So you have to be more focused, right? Due to this COVID pandemic, our country itself gone to lockdown. So that's why it's very difficult for us to come to school. So we are conducting these online classes. So what you have to do? You have to maximum utilize the online classes. What all doubts you have coming, you have to feel free to ask in the Google Meet. So you have to be focused and dedicated. Okay. So before moving to the topics, syllabus and all, let's discuss some general information. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which accepts input, stores data, processes data, and produces the output. What are the features of a computer? Computer, it do multitasking, it's reliable, it's portable, it reduces the manual labor. Lot of features are there. Computer plays an important role in our daily life, right? How? Let's look out some examples. Our online class is going on. Is it possible without a computer? No. You will be knowing your parents or relatives or your friends working from home. Is it possible without these gadgets? No. So, in every sector, computer plays an important role. It brings industrial sector, business level sector, then educational sector to a wide range of global, worldwide. It brings this computer brings, right? We all know about that. Especially in this situation, computer is an essential thing. What is our subject name? ICT. What is ICT? What is the full form of ICT? Information and Communication Technology. What is that? What is the definition of ICT? It provides access to information through telecommunication. This telecommunication includes wired networks, wireless network, mobile services, internet, and a lot of other communication medium. You will be knowing that. So if anyone is asking that you are studying for this 10th standard, your subject name is ICT. What is that full form? You can explain, right? Okay. So I hope you all understood. Just we shared some general information. That's all. You will be knowing. I'm sure that you will be knowing all things. So before moving to our syllabus and all, our 9th syllabus, our 10th syllabus, we have to just memorize what all things we have studied in our previous year. What all things we have studied? Anybody can tell. What all things? What about what all softwares we have studied? Okay, let's have a look. We have studied how to create the poster using GIMP software. What is a poster? It's a large printed paper used for decorations. The cinema posters, right? We have created a poster by using this GIMP software. What else we have studied? We have studied how to set a page using word processor, how to send an email. We have studied programming. Which programming we studied? Python programming. What is programming? Programming consists of a set of instructions that helps in functioning of each software. Next, what we have studied Gplate software, which is a simulation software. Next is spreadsheet software. It's used for analyzing data in tabular form. Presentation software. It's used for creating slides. We have prepared slides. Next, we create a web page. How we created a web page? By using HTML tags. We studied how to edit videos. And at last, the chapter inside the computer, about motherboard, hard disk, microprocessor, etc. we have studied. Okay, so I think now you memorize what we have studied last year, no? Have you got a small knowledge? Some of the softwares we are using in this academic year also. So now we can move to our 10th standard syllabus. In 10th standard also, we will be having part 1 and part 2 book. Part 1 consists of 5 chapters. Part 2 same 5 chapters. Total 10 chapters we have. Our first chapter is the world of designing. What is designing? What all designs you have heard? Interior designing, yes? No. We are doing interiors for a home, for offices. We have heard about that. Fashion designing. We all are interested in fashion designing. Then what? Web designing, which we studied previously. How to create a web page, how to design. One more designing we have studied. What is that? Poster designing, yes. How to create a poster. So, how we have created poster? By using GIMP software. We talked about that, right? So, in this chapter, we will be studying how to create a logo. Here we will be familiarizing about a new software, a new tool, Inkscape. I will tell more about Inkscape in other class. In next class I will explain. Before that, just I want to ask you something. Did you heard about PNG images? SVG? Did you heard about that? We have seen pictures in PNG format, JPG format, SVG format. Did you heard about SVG? Did you save any picture in SVG format? In this chapter, we will be studying about SVG images. The full form of SVG is Scalar Vector Graphics Images. The main difference between this PNG image and SVG image is their clarity. If we take one image which is saved in PNG format or JPG format, when we zoom this picture, we can see the clarity is getting low. But if we take a picture in SVG format and if we zoom the picture, we can see the picture without losing the clarity. So here we are using SVG pictures. We are saving the picture in SVG format. We are preparing how to create a logo through the Inkscape software. Lot of activities are there. All these activities we will be discussing. Step by step we will be discussing in next class. So what you have to do is just you have to go through the book, go through the first chapter. Just understood, just revise what all things we have discussed last year. Just revise how to create the poster. So it will be more helpful while doing these activities. So I hope you understood a small outline about this chapter. Mainly in this chapter we have to create a logo. So we have a lot of activities to do in this chapter. So step by step we will be doing that. Okay students. So we can see in the next class. You revise how to create poster. Okay students, so let's see in the next class. Be safe at your home. Thank you.